Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to delete a deposit in QuickBooks Online. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in QuickBooks, just find a plan that's right for you. And from here, all you have to do is follow the on-screen instructions. And you are all set. Now, deleting a deposit in QuickBooks Online should be approached with care because it will affect your financial records. However, in a situation that a deposit is mistakenly entered twice, resulting in duplicate entries in QBO, deleting one of the duplicates can help maintain accurate financial records. Now, in my case in the past, I deposited a record with incorrect details because it has a wrong amount, date, or customer. Now what I did was delete the deposit, and it allows me to correct the mistake and ensure the accuracy of my financial data here in QuickBooks. If a deposit is voided after being initially recorded, deleting the original deposit entry reflects the cancellation or voiding of the deposit and prevents double counting of funds. Now, for us to delete a deposit in QBO, all we have to do is just go here in the left side panel of your dashboard. Now, this interface might be different from the type of subscription that you had, but in my case, all I gotta do is go here, transactions, and go to chart of accounts. And from here, as you can see, you have the deposits associated with a lot of information. So you have here refunded transactions may need to be deleted from QuickBooks Online to accurately reflect the cancellation or refund process. Now, you can search or filter by name or number, or you can manually search here if you have all of them. Now, in my case, I'm going to be searching for a deposit that has recently been deducted, right? And from here, as you can see, I have it here. Now, in some situation, if a deposit contains sensitive or personal information that should not be included in your QuickBooks record, deleting of the deposit helps protect privacy and confidentiality. Now, all you have to do is click on the upper right corner in the menu and click on Make Active, or you have the option down here to delete. Now, remember, it's important to exercise caution and ensure that you have appropriate backup procedures in place before deleting any deposits. And always double check the deposit details and consider the potential impact on your financial records before proceeding with the deletion. Now, if you have any problems or encounter any issues deleting a deposit here in QuickBooks, I suggest you simply go to QuickBooks Support, and from here you need to select the account that you have. Right now I'm using QuickBooks Online, and if you are more comfortable talking to a live agent, that's okay, because these are the numbers that you can contact them. That's going to be 1-800-2064-1981, and these are the hours that they are available. Remember, it's a PST or Pacific Standard Time, so you might want to take note of that depending on your region or location. Now, if you need to delete deposits as part of routine system maintenance or cleanup tasks to optimize the performance and efficiency of your QuickBooks, just do so. But I believe that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.